Hi, first graders. Today is Monday. This is our phonics PowerPoint for Unit 6, Week 2. This week we are working on our straw card, which says ah, ah, just like our short U sound. We are going to start by reviewing our sounds from last week, which was our variant U or our spoon card that says ooh, ooh. Remember, there was lots of different spellings for that word. There are also lots of different spellings for our sound this week. Make sure that you're reading along with us. All right, first word, think. Say, the word is food. Next word, think. This says ooh. Say, the word is room. Next word, this says ooh. Think. Say, the word is new. Next word, think. Ooh. Say, the word is juice. Think. Say, the word is to. Next word, think. Say, the word is rule. Think. Say, the word is zoom. Think. Say, the word is blue. Last one, think. Say, the word is tool. Like I was telling you earlier, we are learning about our straw card this week. Now, straw card makes the same sound as our short U sound, which says ah, ah, like our octopus card, but it is spelled a little bit differently. So, we have A, like in ball. We have AW, like in saw. We have AU, like in hall. We have AUGH, like in the word caught. And we have AL, like in the word walk. Now, even though there's an L, it doesn't say walk, it says walk. So, straw card says ah, ah. What does it say? Great. As I underline the sounds, you're going to say them twice. Ready? Read. Ah, 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 ah. Keep going. Ah. Nice job. Now we're going to do some blending. Ready? Read. Ah, saw. What's the word? On your own. Ah. What's the word? So we have ah, ooh, small. What's the word? Small. Good. Next word. Ah, ooh, the word is hall. Next word. This says ah. Word is taught. Next word. W says ah. Word is walk. Okay, sounds 2 times. Ready? Read. Ah, ah, cool, cool, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, grr, grr, ah, ah, sp, ah, ah, r, oi, oi. This is our suffix full, which means full of, full, full. Now this spelling could be our book card or a spoon card. If it's a book card, it says uh. If it's spoon card, it says ooh, ooh. Grr, grr, ooh, ooh. Good job. We are going to sound out some words. We're going to stretch it out. Listen to me first. Ah, ooh. Word is fall. Next word. Word is ah, oot. Word is next word. Word is talk. Next word. Cool. Word is claw. Next word. Word is caught. Next word. Word is mall. Next word. Ooh. Word is ooh, Word is lawn. Next word. K. Word is, so we have k, says z. This word, cause, is actually spelling word this week. Next word, cur. Word is, bald. Last one, word is, CE says so we have word is, okay, in your brain, think. Say, the word is call, think. Say, the word is cool, think. Y arn. Say, the word is yarn, think. Say, the word is yawn, think. Say, the word is false, think. This is a tricky one, so we have, and then we have super E at the end, so this says A, and then C is followed by E, so it says, so we have A, word is face. Next word, think. Out, word is shout, think. Say, word is point. Next word, think. Say, the word is toys. Next word, think. Say, the word is grew, think. Say, the word is spoon. Last one, think. It says aw. Suffix full. Word is awful. Okay, we are going to read a sentence, one word at a time. Think. Say, the word is Paul. Think. Say, the word is saw. Think. Say, the word is think. Say, the word is hawk. Sight word is in. Sight word is the. Think. Say, the word is big. Last word, think. Say, the word is tree. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Paul saw a hawk in the big tree. Next sentence. Oops, sorry, hang on. All right, first word, sight word is he, think. AUGH says ah, taught. Word is taught. Next word, sight word is his, think. Say this word is daughter. What's the word? Sight word is to, think. Say the word is draw. Let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? Read. He taught his daughter to draw. Good job. We got one more sentence. Sight word is my. Word is dog. Word is almost. What's the word? Think. Say the word is caught. Sight word is the. Think. B. Ah. Ooh. Say the word is ball. Sight word is in. Sight word is her. Last word, think. say the word is pause. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. My dog almost caught the ball in her paws. Okay, bling words this week. We are moving on to our color list. This word is red. What's the word? We spell red R-E-D. You spell it R-E-D. My favorite color is red. What's the word? The next one is green. What's the word? We spell green G-R-E-E-N. Your turn. G-R-E-E-N. I like when the trees are green in the summer. What's the word? Next word is blue. What's the word? We spell blue B-L-U-E. Your turn. B-L-U-E. The sky looks very blue today. The word is blue. What's the word? Blue. Good. Next word is brown. What's the word? We spell brown B-R-O-W-N. Your turn. B-R-O-W-N. I wear a lot of brown in the fall. The word is brown. What's the word? Next word is yellow. What's the word? We spell yellow Y-E-L-L-O-W. Your turn. Y-E-L-L-O-W. The color yellow makes me happy. The word is yellow. What's the word? All right, this is called a bird on the lawn. What's it called? Okay, we are going to find our words that have our ah sound. The words that are highlighted are sight words. The first word is love. What's the word? Second word is brother. What's the word? Last word is picture. What's the word? Okay, let's read it together. Ready? Read. I love birds. My brother gave me a book about them. In the book, I saw a picture of a bunting. It's a small bird with a short tail and beak. Next page, the sight word is father. What's the word? Then we have the word taught, which has our ah sound, and dawn. Ready? Read. I got up at 5 this morning. My father taught me that birds wake up at dawn. Next page, we have the word walked. We also have the word crawled and the word awful. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. I walked in the woods. I crawled in itchy, tall grass. Awful bugs flew around me. I saw many things, but I did not spot a bunting. Remember, a bunting is the type of bird that she's looking for. Next page, I'm just going to read it to you. Small birds squawked and cawed. They flew away fast. Was it because of me? No, I spotted a hawk. It was looking for food. Okay, this week we are talking about possessive pronouns. Pronouns are words that take place of a noun. So instead of saying Mrs. Rekoff, you would say she. Instead of saying my mom and I, you would say we. A possessive pronoun shows who or what has or owns something. So we have my house is white. So my means that you own something. His coat is too small. He owns the coat. The dog sleeps in its bed. The bed belongs to the dog. They put their spelling tests in the basket. The spelling tests belong to them. We have your mother just called, Julie lost her tooth, and Gran stayed at our house. See you tomorrow.